Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Lewis here from Next Gen Framers. Thank you guys so much for coming. We got a lot going on in this week's video, week 3. So last week we got the first floor completely done and we got it sheeted. So this week we are going to be working on the second floor, getting that up hopefully by the end of the week. I don't think we'll have it sheeted by Friday. Don't tell anyone I said that, but the way it's looking pretty slow. So I think by Friday we should have the walls up. Hopefully, might just spill into week 4 to get the rest of this sheeted and then starting trusses. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a great video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video if you guys could. And I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a great one. So far, we have been getting all the LVLs and the rim on here. The reason we are putting the LVLs on the second floor or on top of the first floor for the second floor is so they can take a lot of the weight because they're a lot stronger than the rim and they help to support the second floor, not just put all the weight on the TJIs. So that's why we put those LVLs in certain spots because they're the heavier spots. So you can see up there. So we got the rim on top of there. And so we'll be getting TJIs in here pretty soon here, get those in, and then we can move on to decking this thing. We are putting on TJIs or joists, whatever you'd like to call them, whatever floats your boat. But we're getting those on today. It's a slow day. Started out pretty cold and the motivation isn't really there as of right now, but slowly working up to it. So we're getting all these TJIs. We got the big ones put together, need to be put together, glued them, nailed them, and screwed them together. Doublers, and then we got the single ones out here, and we're gonna be putting those up as well. We got this nifty little jig right here. So when you lift it up, clamps down, and when you drop it down, it opens up. So that's helpful to lift these up. But yeah, these are gonna be the doublers right here, and then we got the singles kind of scattered all around as of what we need. All right, guys, so the boys are having me cut a 46-inch TJI. I think it's only a couple inches off of here. So I'm going to show you guys real quick because I didn't get a chance with the other ones because we were going so quickly. I want to show you guys what we use to make cutting TJIs super quick, because they're super long. They go the span of the house a lot of the times for them, so it's hard to cut a certain way, and I'd like to just show you guys the fast, quick, and easy way that we like to cut them. So what I got here is I have a Cut-Rite tool. So this is by Boys Cascade, pretty much just a joist cutter. So I'm gonna mark it real quick. What we got here is gonna be cut in here 46. So I marked my 46 on here, and instead of taking my square out and squaring this up and then coming down here, squaring it all the way along there so I can cut it with a skill saw, or taking it to my chop saw, the long ones, all I do is I take my Makita skill saw, put it up against there, get it straight. There you go. And that's how you use the Cut-Rite. Definitely go get yourself one of these. Absolutely amazing. I'll drop a link in the description below. Also, comment, guys. Let me know how you guys cut TJIs. Because I'd like to see if there's another way that you guys think it's quicker than that. Let me know. Also, let me know if you guys end up using this and find it better than with the way you guys were doing it. All right? Now we're building the staircase leading up from the first floor to the second floor. We are starting out by cutting 3 stringers, and we will be attaching risers to all those stringers, and that way that will be the staircase. And then after we do that, we will be attaching all the treads on there. So we'll cut 3 stringers and then attach all the risers. And then once we put it in place, we'll attach all the treads. Dom right now is putting decking on the landing for the main set of stairs. And in the background, you can kind of see we are building the main set of stairs that's going to be going in there. Once we finish building that set of stairs, and the decking's all nailed on, we will be able to fly it in. We also, while we're putting the stairs together, we are cutting all the treads and risers for it as well. And after we nailed down all the decking, we are now going to fly it in. It's pretty hard to fly these in, but once we get it up in the air, we kind of force it down, and then Gabe will screw it at the top, and then Will and Joe will screw it at the bottom. Then once it's in place and we have it all screwed down and where it's supposed to go, we will finish with the smaller set of staircases leading down to the main floor, and then we will also put the treads on, and those will be glued and screwed, and then we'll also nail those from the back. And that's how we do our staircases. Pro tip of the day, guys, we're cutting 3/4 inch at 7 5/16 on the table saw. I'm by myself doing it, so if you guys are ever by yourselves cutting on this table saw, I want you guys to get yourselves a sawhorse, 2x4, screw them together, screw each piece of 3/4 or 7/16 or anything really on top of the 2x4, and then you cut from there. Finished up all the stairs, got these all done in one day. We got from the basement up to the first floor done. And then we got from the first floor up to the second floor done as well. You guys got any questions about these? Let me know in the comments about the stairs. On the second floor, we're starting to get the walls all put together. Should have them up by the end of the day. They're 9-foot walls up here. And then after that, we will put these walls up here over by the fireplace and by the foyer. So we got all the plate material and we got the top plate. Since it's the second floor and we're putting the trusses up next, we like to put up truss layout on the walls. So as you can see, we got the lines with the X's as to where all the trusses have to go. We put those on all the walls there. That way we're not doing it when the walls are up and having to walk on 2x4s all the way across to make layout. Alright, Will's the fastest out of all of us nailing these walls together, so we're going to time how fast it takes him to put this wall together. It's a new record for you, Will. Only took you 30 minutes instead of a full hour. 3, 2, 1, go! Up on the way. Those are the last couple walls, and we're done with all the walls on the second floor. Now we just gotta work on getting this thing sheeted, and then we can get the fireplace walls and the foyer walls up and get those started after we get everything braced off.